Hello all, here's another beautiful wire wrapped bohemian pendant necklace that we have available on the Jewelry by BDK website. It has a link chain, 22-inch with a clasp finish. You have a variety of beads, stone, glass, wrapped beautifully with a 16 gauge wire. A very sturdy piece too, just a really beautiful piece. Take a peek at the back. Wired securely, and it wears really well. So if you're in a really different, eclectic type of jewelry, then this would be a piece for you. Check out all our boho art expressions pieces on jewelrybybdk.com. Thanks for stopping by.